Hello everybody, how are you all? Warmly welcome back to Crochet Mart, very smart and unique ideas. We will share creative and inspiring tips for your home crocheting. Today's video is all about crochet pillow covers. So we'll be going over some techniques to consider you to select the perfect design and perfect color scheme for your home crocheting ideas. Dear viewers, first of all, if you still not subscribe the channel, please subscribe it now. Press bell icon also to find such type of more unique and outstanding videos. If found it helpful, don't forget to share and like the video so that your friends also can watch such type of beautiful video. Crocheting your own pillow cover is not just a cozy craft. It comes with a bunch of perks. Here are some benefits of making a crochet pillow cover, especially for an 18-inch pillow, which is common size. Creative and personal expression, unique style. Make it exactly how you want. Color, pattern, textures. One of a kind decor. No one else will have the exact same piece. Instant conversation starter. Custom sizing. Perfect fit for your 18-inch pillow. No awkward plugging or sagging. Home and aesthetic benefits. Seasonal swap. Easily change pillow cover with the seasons or holidays. Cozy vibes. Crochet adds texture and warmth to any room. Eco-friendly. Use sustainable yarn or repurpose old yarn. Scrap less waste. Mental health and mindfulness. Stress relief. The repetitive motion of crochet can be meditative and calming. Digital detox. Gives you eye a break from screens. Sense of accomplishment. Watching your project grow instant. Serenation boost. Cultural and traditional value. Keeps tradition alive. A great way to honor older generation who crocheted. Pass down skills. Share your skills with friends, kids, or grandkids. Practical perks. Budget friendly. Often cheaper than buying higher end decorative pillows. Washable and reusable. Easy to clean and reuse for a long time. Gift worthy. Handmade gifts are extra thoughtful and personal, sustainable and dye. Upcycle old pillows, breathe new life into a pillow you already have. Use leftover yarn. Great stash busting project for small bit of yarn. With the happy ending today's video, hope we'll meet you in next video. Keep in touch with our channel. Bye bye.